Today, we're unpacking what is basically the ultimate blueprint for mastering SAP Extended Warehouse Management and really supercharging your career. You know, we constantly hear from folks wanting to build their career in SAP EWM. But the real question is, are you actually ready to become 100% project ready in today's super fast-paced SAP ecosystem? Well, if your answer is yes, then here is your window. Registration for the highly anticipated August 2026 SAP EWM Level 1 and Level 2 Comprehensive Batch is officially open. And look, we're going to skip the dry textbook theory here. You'll be learning by executing actual, real-time project scenarios. We're talking intensive hands-on exercises, mapping out those end-to-end business processes, and of course, mastering all the core configuration and functional concepts. Now, whether you're a total beginner, a current SAP consultant, a seasoned professional, or maybe just someone looking to switch tracks, this program totally delivers. Because beyond just the L1 and L2 training, you're unlocking a literal treasure trove here. Lifetime session recordings, resume guidance, and absolutely crucial post-training support. Okay, and here is definitely the best part. For a limited time, you get an instant 5,000 rupees off your course fees. Seriously, 5,000 off. But you do have to act fast before this limited period offer completely closes. The great thing is, with both weekday and weekend options, you are completely in control of your schedule. So go ahead and send a WhatsApp message to +91 9777 130 425 to secure your spot today. The SAP ecosystem is evolving incredibly fast. Are you going to lead that change or get left behind? The choice is yours.